Hi children, welcome back to our class. Last class we have seen that groundwater and some new terms such as aquifer, infiltration and what is water table, and if you are continuously drawing water from ground, what will happen to water table. So, here today in this class we will be discussing that if we are continuously drawing water for our various activities, water from the ground, if you are continuously drawing it for different activities and all, that water table will go down, that we will call it as depletion of water table. So, on moving to our topic, depletion of water table, we can see depletion of water table. Which are the different factors responsible for affecting that, or factors responsible for or affecting the depletion of water table? That there are different factors are there. One by one we can take that factors and we can discuss it. Okay. First one is increasing population. How does that increase in population affect the depletion of water table? Increasing population. Actually, this increasing population creates an increased need of this houses, offices, all the working places, more places, more different places which we use, concrete buildings we use. So, increased population demands for the increased quantities of these things around us, isn't it? We need more number of movie theaters, and we need more number of houses, we need more number of offices. All these increased population require their needs to satisfy. Okay. So, for that we need all these things more and more. For the construction of this all different houses, the shops, markets, everything, for the construction we use more and more water. So, increased population leads to the increased use of water, and sometimes we will be depending this groundwater for majority of our water usage. Okay. So, more huge amount of groundwater will be used for the construction work and all, and often this groundwater is using for this purposes and all. So, when increased population indirectly leads to the increased usage of this groundwater, and one hand we are increasing that, we are drawing more and more water from the ground, and the other hand we are not allowing, or we are allowing less water to seep down to the earth, because when we are constructing new houses and all, that frontage will be tiled. We will be tiling it, or we will be putting the stones there, and that will not allow the rainwater to seep directly into the soil. So, one hand we are using more and more groundwater, depending more and more groundwater for fulfilling our activities and all, or satisfying our needs, and the other hand we are allowing less water to go into the land. So, this definitely affect to deplete the water level, water table there. So, one factor for the depletion of water table is increasing population. Okay. Now, the second factor which is affecting for the depletion of water table is increased need of agricultural activities. If population, agricultural activities, if population is increasing, definitely our requirement for the food and clothing also will be increased. So, that increased needs we have to satisfy. So, we will go with more and more agricultural activities and all For that, more water we have to use. And most of the places where the scanty rainfall and all is there and no proper irrigation and all, in that places we have to go with the groundwater for that proper irrigation processes. So, major cases we depend this groundwater for that increased need of agricultural activities. So, this agricultural activities also will helps in the depletion of water table. Okay. Then we can see the third factor affecting the depletion of water table is increasing industries. Increasing industries. This increasing industries also, increasing industries, because population is enormously increasing, the needs for various materials also increases, definitely that will increase the industrial work also, and for the job opportunities also we have to increase for more and more industries will be coming up and for their activity, majority of the industrial works they use water in any of their stage. Sometimes it will be in the beginning of the production state, or sometimes it will be middle of the state, or sometimes it will be at the end of the state, wherever it is. If it is an industry, definitely the water is used and mainly they are using this groundwater for this industries and all. So, definitely that water table is being depleted there. So, we can see one by one, increasing population affects the depletion of water table and agricultural activities deplete the water table and increasing industries also will deplete the water table. Now, two more factors are which is not discussed detail in your textbook, that also we can see, that is scanty rainfall. Some places we can see not much more rain is there. So, scanty, some places rain is very less, scanty rainfall. Okay, so the scanty rainfall in those places, for that agricultural activities, cultivation and all, for that we have to completely, irrigation purposes, completely we have to depend on this groundwater. So, there also we are depending more groundwater. So, there also the water table is being depleted. And one more factor is that is deforestation. We are day by day, we are deforestation. Day by day, we are reducing the number of trees, for cutting down the trees for various activities such as making houses, making furnitures. So, every day population is increasing, so our need also will increase. For that different satisfying our needs, we are cutting the trees and also deforestation is happening and at the same time we are reducing the area of effective land which is available for the seepage of groundwater. Effective area which is available for the water seepage, that area also we are reducing along with this deforestation. So, these factors definitely will deplete the water table. So, today we have seen that 5 factors which are responsible for the depletion of water table: increasing population and agricultural activities, then increasing industries, scanty rainfall and deforestation, and that reduction in the effective area of seepage of water. effective area which is needed for the seepage of water, we are reducing the, and same time we are going with the deforestation processes. So, all these factors will deplete the water table present there in the ground. I hope this much is clear to you. Children, please go through your textbook page number 198 and 199, very important point. Thank you.